Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with Chase account alerts, complete guide step by step clearly. To authenticate with Chase account alerts, begin by opening your preferred web browser. Navigate to the official Chase website by typing www.chase.com in the address bar. Once the page loads, find the login button typically located at the top right corner of the screen. Click on the login button to be redirected to the login page. Enter your user ID in the designated field. Next, input your password in the password field. After entering your credentials, click on the login button to access your account. Once logged in, look for the settings option in your account dashboard. Click on Settings to view various account management options. From the Settings menu, select Account Alerts. You will now see a list of available alert types. Choose the alerts you wish to activate or customize according to your preference. To set up alerts, click on the desired alert type to configure its settings. You may be prompted to verify your identity for security purposes. Follow the on-screen instructions, which may include answering security questions or receiving a verification code. Enter the required verification information to proceed with the alert setup. Once identity verification is complete, return to the alert settings. Confirm your selections by clicking on the Save or Activate button. You should receive a confirmation message indicating that your alerts are now active. To manage your alerts in the future, revisit the Account Alerts section in the settings. Review or modify your alert preferences as needed. Remember to log out of your account when you are finished for added security. This completes the authentication process for Chase account alerts. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.